So let me tell you how this mini PC with Windows 11 Pro helped me out tremendously. I closed down my insurance office just recently and I had to set up a home office pretty quickly. I needed a no fuss, budget friendly computer that'll get the job done for all my work needs. Now I picked this up and I tell you, this has everything I needed and more, and it's totally plug and play. It was set up within a few moments and I was ready to do business immediately without any issues whatsoever. So I highly recommend this. Now let's go over the stats. Of course, the compact size just gives me so much room on my desk, and I could virtually put it anywhere as long as there's good airflow around it. So you have one MIC in port, you have one LAN port, you have two HDMI ports, you have one USB 2.0 ports, one DC port, one USB 2.0 ports, two USB 3.0 ports, and this gives you plenty of options to go dual monitor if you need to. I'm running a big single monitor, and it has great picture quality. It runs HD video on YouTube, no problem. My apps for my business, my programs for my business run nice and smooth. We have 8 gigabytes of DDR RAM. It has installed Windows 11 Pro. It has dual band Wi-Fi, which was easy to connect to. As soon as you start it up, I was online within moments. It has a 128 gigabytes solid state drive, which gives me enough room, and you could also upgrade to the 256 gigabyte, and only for a few dollars more. I mean, this is a no-brainer if you need something quick and easy to set up. It's just amazing how these computers come in so compact and so powerful nowadays. So I highly recommend this. It saved me from a lot of hassle, and I'm enjoying the fast speed and the efficiency and the reliability of this mini computer, and you will too.